So what if I told you Python can swap variables, remove duplicates and unpack values all without extra temporary variables or loops? And yes, this trick is asked in interviews by interviewers. So let's start. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. And if you are learning Python for interviews, real world projects or clean coding, this video is for you. And today I will show you one of most powerful Python tricks that most beginners do not know, but senior developers use it daily. Let's say you want to swap two variables. This looks simple, right? But how you do it, it matters in interviews and clean code. But you can say that traditional way of swapping two variables is something like a is equal to 10, and then we define b is equal to 20, and to swap two variables you can just say temp is equal to a, and then a is equal to b, and then b is equal to temp, and then if we print a comma b, we can see that the code is completed and a and b values have been swapped, like a is equal to 20 you can see, and b is equal to 10. So that's it. But the problem with this approach is we are using an extra variable and more lines of code, not very Pythonic, and in interview you are expected to perform something better which others do not know. Now coming to the trick which I am going to tell you in this video. A is equal to 10 we have, and b is equal to 20. Okay, now what we can do is that we can do it like a comma b is equal to b comma a. Okay, and when we print this, when we print this, print a comma b, you can see that the values have been swapped. This is just one line code and no temporary variables, and clean and elegant. So this code is not taking any extra space, it's just returning what we had. Okay, but how does this trick works internally? So let's break it down. We have a comma b equal to b comma a. Okay, now what Python does behind the scene is that Python creates a tuple on the right side. This means this is a tuple, and then it unpacks values from left to right, like a b and then a. So what it basically does is that it defines the value a is equal to b from the tuple, and then b is equal to tuple a. That's what it is doing, and then it is very safe, readable, optimized. And what are real world practical examples of this one? So the first thing we can do using this method is we can swap values in algorithms. For example, we have been given an array is equal to 5 4 2 9, and then we can swap two elements of this array 0 comma array 1 equal to array 1 comma array 0, and then if we print array we can see that the values have been replaced, like or swapped. You can see here that 4 was at the index 0, now 4 is at index 1, and 2 was at index 1, and now it is at index 0. Also it is very clean and swaps without temporary variable. Now second example you can see is that when we are getting multiple values from a function. For example, you have defined a function called get underscore user, and it returns with comma 27. It returns with comma 27, and now we have name comma age equal to get underscore user. Okay, and if we print a name and then print age. Now let's print it. We can see here that our name variable has weight and age variable has 27. So this can be used in APIs, database calls, and ML pipelines also. Now coming to the third example or third real life use is something like ignoring unwanted values. For example, we have a set data is equal to 1 2 3, and now we have important equal to data. This way we can print the needed value from set. So now we have to, which is this one. Okay, this is very common in real world data processing, and where this trick is useful, we are asked to swap variables in Python interviews, or you can say that in competitive programming and clean production code, or data science and ML pipelines, API responses, tuples, and list handling. And interviewers love this because it shows Pythonic thinking, and it is very space optimized and time optimized. You can unpack list, tuples, even functions returns the same way. And once you master this, your Python code will instantly look professional. So if this trick helped you, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment part 2 if you want more hidden Python tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.